Today I am going to show you how to change the mower blades to new ones on a Craftsman Professional 24 horsepower 42-inch cutting deck. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put it in park and put some boards or whatever you have so it doesn't roll back behind the back tires. And then you're going to want to jack up the front end so you can get underneath the deck, or if you have a lift, some people have lifts that lift it straight up, that would be awesome. I don't have that, so what I'm going to use is my game stand here and pull up the front end, and then we'll get to the blades. I will be right back once I get it all hoisted up. The rooster apparently wants to be part of the video. So next what we're going to do is clean up underneath here in the deck, and then we're going to remove these old blades. There's just 2 bolts, one on the bottom of each blade that you remove, and then there's like a washer thing there. That's what that is, or a spacer. And then you put on the new blades. So I'm going to come back once I kind of get that cleaned up, and then I'll take those blade while you remove this bolt. So I'm not going to be able to do it one-handed. I will be right. Alright, I'm back. So I have it off. What I ended up doing was using a piece of wood to stop the blade. And then I used an impact. Ooh, sorry. Sorry. Impact wrench. So now when you're replacing the blade, you want to make sure that the new one lines up on the star pattern there so that it's thin. Alright, we are back. So, I have the new blades on. It's nice and easy. So all you got to do after that is lower it back down and you're good to go. So I hope this helped you out if you guys wanted to know how to change the blades on a Craftsman Professional 24 horsepower 42-inch cut riding lawnmower. In the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out.